Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful custom glittered alcohol ink tumbler. So before I do anything, I'm going to need to go ahead and prep my tumbler. So I'm going to take a piece of 120 grit sandpaper and I'm going to go around and sand the entire tumbler starting at the bottom. Once I finish sanding everything, I'm just going to take it and wash it with some soap and water and dry it off really well, making sure that it's dry before I take it outside and spray paint it. I just spray painted it with some silver metallic spray paint. I'm going to let my cup dry for 20 or 30 minutes and then I'm going to go ahead and mix my epoxy. I use these little medicine cups and I'm going to mix 2.5 milliliters of part A to 2.5 milliliters of part B. Once I have my epoxy mixed really well, I'm just going to take my tumbler and spread the epoxy all over it. So now I'm going to take my glitter and I'm going to start at the bottom and sprinkle it on, working my way around the rim, down the cup until it's entirely covered. The glitter I'm using is from Peachy Olive Glitters. It's called Bluey. It's a really pretty chunky glitter that has butterflies in it. I'm just going to take a finger and I'm going to pat down some of the areas where it's sticking up. I'm just going to put that on my stand and let it dry. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my first coat of epoxy, and I mixed 10 milliliters of part A to 10 milliliters of part B for a total of 20 milliliters. And I'm just pouring that on and gliding my finger down the length of the cup until the entire cup is covered. So I'm just going to let that spin on my turner for a few hours before I go in with my second coat of epoxy. So I mixed my epoxy as I did before, and I'm just going in with my second coat. I'm going to let that spin on my turner for a few hours until it's completely dry. Once my cup is completely dry, I'm going to go in and sand it and make sure I get the bottom and the rim really well. After I have sanded it down, I'm going to wash it with soap and water and make sure that it is dried really well before I apply my epoxy. I went ahead and mixed up 20 milliliters of epoxy, and I'm going to go ahead and spread that over the entire tumbler. Once my epoxy was applied, I just went in and randomly sprinkled on a little bit of different colored pigment powders. I used blue, pink, and purple. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my alcohol inks and just drop them randomly on the cup. I used magenta, teal, blue, purple, and white. Once I finish applying my alcohol inks, I'm going to take it off the turner and flip it back and forth to get the alcohol inks moving. So I'm just going to put it back on the turner and let it spin and kind of do its own thing. And I'm going to let it spin in one direction and then switch it and let it spin in the opposite direction. So I let it completely dry for 24 hours and I'm going to go in with my decal. There is a little bit of epoxy buildup on the inside of the cup. So I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm just going to carefully remove it, being careful not to scratch the inside of the cup. And I'm going to also go around the rim. Now I'm ready for my final coats of epoxy. So I went ahead and mixed up 20 milliliters and I'm just going to spread that all over the cup as I did before. I'll let that dry for a few hours and then I'll add another coat. I'll let that dry for 24 hours and then I'll go in and clean up the rim and the inside of my cup again as I did before. Usually I'll let it sit for about 3 days and then I'll hand wash it before I hand it off to the customer. So that is it, you guys. I really enjoyed making this cup and I love the way it turned out. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more fun projects. Thank you guys for watching.